In this lesson, we will discuss hacks to decode the minor pentatonic scale using the NANDI method. The minor pentatonic scale is a 5-note scale with the interval formula 1, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 7. The A minor pentatonic is identical to the A natural minor except for the second and minor 6th scale degrees. It is easier to distinguish between the two scales when their intervals are grouped in fourths, as shown below. The notes on the chart from left to right are in fourths, while the notes from right to left are in fifths. For example, 5 to 1 is a perfect fourth, while 1 to 5 is a perfect fifth. We can employ a simple hack to derive the 5 notes in a minor pentatonic scale without counting scale steps. To identify the notes in the A minor pentatonic scale, for example, we go up a fifth from root A to E. Then count 4 more notes in the order of fourths, namely A, D, G, and C. The 5 notes of A minor pentatonic when arranged in fourth takes up only 2 frets, as shown below. To complete the scale, we simply fill in each note's octave on a higher fret. By inserting B and F, the tritone notes in A minor, we can convert the minor pentatonic scale to a natural minor scale. We can see the intervals of the C minor pentatonic scale in the quarter below. Starting from 5 and moving in fourths, we can complete the scale in the C shape. The minor pentatonic scale has only 2 types of intervals between its notes. Each pair of notes is separated by a minor third of 3 frets, or a major second of 2 frets. With the NANDI method, we can use another one of our hacks to visualize the interval patterns in a scale shape. Observe the distance between the dots on each string in the figure below. When the scale is organized in fourths, we can easily identify minor thirds from 5 and 1, and major seconds from 4, flat 7, and flat 3. Here is another fret diagram. You will find that the major seconds on the 3 lowest strings are followed by minor thirds on the next 2 strings. The major seconds on the E strings, of course, mirror each other. Decoding the interval pattern in this shape, we can identify the scale as shown below. Now, using the key of C major as an example, let's look at a hack for extracting minor pentatonic scales. In the first 2 rows of the table below, the notes and intervals in C are arranged in fourths. By aligning the intervals of the minor pentatonic scale with the available notes in C, we can easily identify the 3 minor pentatonic scales as E minor, A minor, and D minor pentatonic originating from scale degrees 3, 6, and 2. Every minor pentatonic scale has a relative major scale with the same notes. A shortcut to use here is to descend a minor third from minor pentatonic intervals 5, 1, 4, flat 7, and flat 3 to derive major pentatonic intervals of 3, 6, 2, 5, and 1. The many shortcuts presented in this lesson should make it easier for you to recognize and navigate the minor pentatonic scale. To expand your knowledge of scales using the NANDI method, we suggest our book, Guitar Scales Unleashed, and the accompanying workbook, and the mobile app. There you have it, decoding the minor pentatonic scale with the NANDI method.